Yellow.
Yellow car in a blue garage?
No.
We need to paint the car blue. Okay, let's go. My fun.
What is this?
Wow. Let's check. Let's color it. Blue car. Yay. Wow. Come on. Super.
Blue. Red.
You don't care? I know what to do. Let's paint. Wow. Yeah. Now it's red.
Red. Yellow.
Blue car? No. Idea. Okay. It's so fun. Let's go. Oh no.
Yellow. Green. Red.
Red car in a green garage? Oh, let's paint the car green. Yay! Hello. Washing time. Now my car is green.
Green.
My fly! Where's Oliver? He's playing hide and seek. Let's find him! Let's go! Oliver! Yes! Watermelons! So fun! Hey! Bon appetit! Yum, yum! Enjoy Oliver! Oh no! Next door! Yes! Wow, nice! Oliver! Oliver is not here. Next is my two. Let's check. Oliver, are you there? Crocodile! Good crocodile, don't eat me.
Okay.
Oliver is not here. My turn. I hope Oliver is hidden behind this door. Floor is lava! Then I don't know where is he. I see something. Maybe that's Oliver. Oliver is here. Look. Yay! Time to play. Bye-bye! Uh-oh, he's playing hide and seek again. Welcome to Roma's kindergarten.
Good morning.
First baby!
Please take care of my boy.
Uh-huh. Whoa, blue baby.
Good morning.
Second baby. Hello. Huh? Yellow baby.
Hello.
Hi. Oh. Third baby.
I need go to the work. Okay.
Bye. Green baby.
Hello.
Fourth baby. Hello. Red baby. Fifth baby. Oh no. Hi there. Orange baby. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange. Get ready today, nap time. Goodbye. Wow! Where's Orange? What's going on? Yellow, blue, green, something is wrong. Goodbye. Huh? Where is yellow? I don't understand. Where did they go? Whoa. Aggie. Oh no! Where did all the babies go? Hey! Yellow baby, I had found you! Yay! Nap time! One baby. Where is blue baby? Hello. Blue baby, I had found you. Cute. Two babies. Maybe here? Red baby, I had found you. Let's go. Three babies. More babies. What was the sound? Green baby, I had found you. Yay! Super! Whoa! 4 babies. Baby! Come on, Oliver. Uh-huh. 5 babies. All babies. Wow! Today we will learn how to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4,